Benching for 15 years, were you always getting shoulder pain?
No, up until maybe just recently. Probably as I started to load heavier weight, started to lose focus on my form. Easier to keep the arms flailed out. It's like,
So you can go heavier when you were able to go heavier here.
Right.
So
but then it started to cause some joint pain.
Because you got away from
the form. Yep.
Shoulder pain while you bench, probably your technique. So a lot of times people bench press with the shoulders out. Press up, the elbows out and down. So how's that feel?
Hurts.
It hurts, yeah. Like in the shoulder, right?
Yep.
So go ahead, bench again. Now you see what he just did? Because we taught him how to bench properly. How is it now?
Much better.
Much better. So how long have you been bench pressing?
15 years.
15 years. And it's all because he's having shoulder pain. He's not setting the scapular stabilizers, the mid and lower traps, before he presses. Now, go ahead, bench. How's that feel?
Much better.
Much better. All right, I'm going to take away, this is only 28 pounds. Let's take away the load. So he can now demonstrate how the wrong way to do it. Right? Elbows were out.
Mm-hmm.
So the elbows out here is going to impinge the shoulder. You're going to get pain. Show him the right way. Crunch it down. And now you can load it. You're getting shoulder pain. Do your exercises properly. That's your take home. Do it right or don't do it at all. It's not about the amount of weight. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.